Hello guys! Today we're gonna do something that somebody wants to know. It's gaming. We're gonna show you how to go on Fortnite on a Chromebook because I'm broke. So first, we have to go to GeForce Now. Then after that, we go into the website. Yeah, website. And then after you go on the website, you basically have to sign in or sign up first. But I already did that, so I'll just skip forward to the website. Okay, so I'm in now. And I have a mouse because I am not playing on a trackpad. And then I have Fortnite right here downloaded. But if you don't, you have to just go down here or search it up and then download. So we got a Fortnite and then play. And then we have to put this thing in full screen. There's 24 gamers ahead of me right now. So I'm just going to pause. I'll just speed it forward until we're in the rig. Okay, guys, it's loading now. Okay, well, I can tell you. This might have more FPS than a Switch. Put that back in my dock. How's it charging? Turn it off. Okay. Just keep loading, just keep loading, just keep loading. Okay, it's been like 30 seconds. Oh wait, okay, it's ready. Let's go. So we're in. But I have no idea how to use PC. How do you emote? The only thing I know is that you use enter to type. I think you'll use E to emote. No, that's E to B to emote. Oh, yeah, I got it. B emote. And then you know what he's trying to say? Snoop Dogg is trying to say have a nice day. Bye, guys.